What is the Eternity ecosystem? The Eternity ecosystem is a groundbreaking blockchain platform pioneering a new class of digital assets known as non-diminishing assets. Assets designed never to lose value. How it works. At its core lies an innovative algorithm that ensures the native asset, Ether, consistently increases in value with every transaction. Unlike traditional tokens that may fluctuate or depreciate, Ether is engineered to grow, creating a sustainable economic model for long-term holders. Key features. Non-diminishing value, price increases with every byte sell. Ether token, the native currency for all ecosystem operations. Smart contract-based, fully decentralized and transparent. Built on Polygon, a fast, low-cost, and scalable blockchain. Ecosystem of projects. Each new project supports the previous, building a strong, interconnected foundation. Continuous growth. The Eternity team has already launched multiple projects within the ecosystem, with many more in development, each one supporting and strengthening the others through smart contract synergy and shared value mechanics.